companies that have compliance and security requirements, oftentimes they find they need a company like Zix that can provide an extra layer of security on top of Office 365. If you look at Gartner has said that 40% of companies by next year will use an external third-party security company to enhance what they have with Office 365. At Zix, we provide companies with a broad range of email security solutions, including email encryption, email threat protection, archiving, and even email mobile security. So on top of your Office 365 solution, you can add that extra layer of compliance and security with Zix.